CityLink's been the cornerstone asset for Transurban for more than 2 decades now. It was the first asset in a portfolio that now includes 21 operating assets across 5 cities. This crucial network connects Melbourne's southeast with the north and the west of the city, and it's really hard to imagine Melbourne without this critical link in the transport network. It's now more than 20 years old, and as a mature asset, a major focus for us is to find new ways to improve traffic along the corridor when there are really limited options to expand it further. As more people return to their workplaces and more traffic returns to our roads, we're fostering innovation to help create smoother trips on CityLink. In the Byrne tunnel, many people might not realise they're actually driving 65 metres below the surface and then back up again. What that means is that drivers enter the tunnel at 80 kilometres an hour, but by the time they've come up the hill and they exit the tunnel, they're actually going 60. And this is a trend we see even when traffic's at its quietest in the middle of the night. This creates choke points within the tunnel that can create a backlog of congestion on the broader network that extends kilometres. We're looking for new technology solutions that can help address this issue. One thing we're exploring is technology seen in places such as Japan, which use pacemaker lighting in the tunnel to help drivers maintain speed. We're currently doing virtual reality simulations as a part of an Australian first trial to test motorists' reaction to this pacemaker lighting for Byrne tunnel. This lighting serves as a visual cue to remind people that their speed may have dropped as they head up and out of the tunnel. We currently have customers and our own employees helping trial simulations to see what difference an initiative like this would have on their behaviour. We monitor a whole range of factors, including their speed, their heart rate, their eye movements, and ultimately we're looking at whether the technology and the improved conditions make a difference to their behaviour. We'll continue a driver awareness program to inform drivers about the tunnel conditions and to help create smoother trips. We're also using TomTom data to identify key travel time savings across the network to encourage people to beat the peak. These are just a couple of examples of the types of initiatives we're exploring to help reduce congestion and keep traffic flowing along one of the city's most critical corridors.